Hey there, Internet hustlers! Welcome back to the channel, where we dive into all things money, economics, and making your financial dreams come true. Today, we're going to talk about a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to make money online in 2024. If you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that like button and let's get started. Segment 1: Introduction to Online Income. We'll break it down into three main categories: freelancing, e-commerce, and passive income. Each of these has its own set of opportunities and challenges, so let's dive into each one. Segment 2: Freelancing. First up, freelancing. This is a great option if you have a specific skill set. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, programmer, or even a virtual assistant, there's a demand for your skills online. 1. Create a strong profile, highlight your skills, experience, and include a professional photo. 2. Start small, take on smaller projects to build your reputation. 3. Communicate clearly, always be clear about what you can deliver and by when. 4. Deliver quality work, your reputation is everything. Always aim to exceed client expectations. Freelancing can be a great way to make money quickly, but it requires dedication and excellent time management skills. Writing and editing, content creation, copywriting, proofreading. Graphic design, logo design, branding, digital art. Programming and tech, web development, app development, IT support. Virtual assistants, administrative tasks, customer support, data entry. Marketing, social media management, SEO, email marketing. Each of these categories has its own set of required skills and tools. For instance, a graphic designer might need proficiency in Adobe Creative Suite, while a programmer should be familiar with languages like Python or JavaScript. Segment 3: E-commerce. Next, let's talk about e-commerce. This is perfect if you're entrepreneurial and love the idea of running your own business. You can sell products or services online through platforms like Etsy, eBay, Amazon, or even your own website. Steps to start an e-commerce business. 1. Find your niche. Choose a product or service you're passionate about. 2. Set up your store. Use platforms like Etsy, eBay, or Amazon to reach a wider audience. 3. Market your products. Use social media, SEO, and email marketing to attract customers. 4. Provide excellent customer service. Happy customers are repeat customers. E-commerce requires more initial investment and effort compared to freelancing, but it can be incredibly rewarding and scalable. Dropshipping explained. 1. Choose a supplier. Find reliable suppliers through platforms like AliExpress or Oberlo. 2. List products. Add products to your store without holding inventory. 3. Process orders. When a customer orders, your supplier ships directly to them. 4. Focus on marketing. Your main job is to drive traffic to your store and handle customer service. Dropshipping reduces the risk and cost of starting an e-commerce business. However, you need to carefully select your suppliers and ensure product quality to maintain customer satisfaction. Benefits of print on demand. Low risk, no inventory to manage. Flexibility, wide range of products to customize. Scalability, easily expand your product line. Whether you choose traditional e-commerce, dropshipping, or print on demand, success in e-commerce requires a strong marketing strategy. Utilize social media ads, influencer partnerships, and email campaigns to drive traffic and sales. Segment 4: Passive income. Now, let's explore passive income streams. These require upfront work but can generate income over time with little to no effort. Think of it as setting up a money-making machine that runs on autopilot. Passive income ideas. 1. Blogging. Start a blog, monetize it with ads and affiliate marketing. 2. YouTube channel. Create content, grow your audience, and earn through ads and sponsorships. 3. Stock photos. Sell your photos on platforms like Shutterstock or Adobe Stock. 4. Online courses. Create and sell courses on platforms like Udemy or Teachable. 5. Print on demand. Create custom products without holding inventory. 6. Affiliate marketing, promote other people's products and earn a commission. Remember, passive income streams take time to build, so be patient and consistent with your efforts. Steps to start a blog. 1. Choose a niche, focus on a specific topic you're passionate about. 2. Set up your blog, use platforms like WordPress or Blogger. 3. Create quality content, write informative and engaging posts. 4. Monetize your blog, use ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Building a successful blog takes time and dedication, but it can become a reliable source of passive income. Steps to start a YouTube channel. 1. Choose a niche, find a topic you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. 2. Create high-quality content, invest in good equipment and editing software. 3. Grow your audience, consistently upload and engage with your viewers. 4. Monetize your channel, enable ads, join the YouTube Partner Program, and seek sponsorships. YouTube requires creativity and consistency, but it can be incredibly rewarding. Plus, it's a fun way to share your passion with the world. Steps to sell stock photos. 1. Capture high-quality images, focus on diverse and marketable subjects. 2. Edit your photos, use editing software to enhance your images. 3. Upload to stock photo sites, use platforms like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Getty Images. 4. Optimize your listings, use relevant keywords and descriptions to increase visibility. Selling stock photos can generate a steady stream of passive income, especially if you consistently upload new images. Steps to create an online course. 1. Choose a topic, focus on a subject you excel in. 2. Create course content, use videos, slides, and quizzes to make it engaging. 3. Host your course, use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera. 4. Promote your course, use social media, email marketing, and SEO to attract students. Online courses can generate substantial passive income, especially if you create high-quality, valuable content. Steps to start affiliate marketing. 1. Choose a niche, focus on a specific industry or product category. 2. Join affiliate programs, use platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale. 3. Promote products, use a blog, YouTube channel, or social media to share your affiliate links. 4. Optimize your strategy, track your performance, and adjust your tactics for better results. Affiliate marketing can be highly lucrative if you choose the right products and effectively promote them to your audience. Segment 5. Real-life success stories. To inspire you, here are a few real-life success stories of people who have made it big online. Real-life success stories. 1. Sarah, Etsy shop owner making 6 figures with handmade crafts. 2. John, YouTuber earning a living through tech reviews and sponsorships. 3. Lisa, freelance graphic designer working remotely while traveling. These stories prove that with hard work and determination, making money online is possible for anyone. Segment 6. Tips for staying motivated. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to stay motivated on your online money-making journey. Tips for staying motivated. 1. Set clear goals, know what you want to achieve and set measurable goals. 2. Stay organized, use tools like Trello or Asana to manage your tasks. 3. Join online communities, connect with others on the same path for support and advice. 4. Keep learning, stay updated with the latest trends and continuously improve your skills. Segment 7. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let's discuss some common mistakes to avoid when trying to make money online. Common mistakes to avoid. 1. Lack of planning, failing to plan is planning to fail. Always have a clear strategy. 2. Chasing shiny objects, focus on 1 or 2 methods and master them before moving on. 3. Ignoring feedback, listen to your audience and clients to improve your offerings. 4. Neglecting quality, whether it's content, products, or services, always prioritize quality. Avoiding these mistakes will save you time and help you achieve your financial goals faster. Segment 8. Tools and resources. To help you succeed, here are some essential tools and resources for making money online. 1. Website builders, WordPress, Wix, Squarespace. 2. Freelancing platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer. 3. E-commerce platforms, Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce. 4. Marketing tools, Hootsuite, MailChimp, Google Analytics. 5. Learning platforms, Coursera, Udemy, Skillshare. Using the right tools can significantly enhance your productivity and effectiveness. Segment 9. Building a personal brand. Building a personal brand is crucial for standing out in the online space. Here are some tips to help you create a strong personal brand. Building a personal brand. 1. Define your brand, know your values, mission, and unique selling points. 2. Create consistent content, ensure your content aligns with your brand message. 3. Engage with your audience, build a community by interacting with your followers. 4. Be authentic, authenticity builds trust and loyalty with your audience. A strong personal brand can open up new opportunities and attract more clients or customers. Segment 10. Legal considerations. Lastly, let's cover some important legal considerations when making money online. Legal considerations. 1. Register your business. Depending on your location and business type, you may need to register your business. 2. Pay taxes. Understand your tax obligations and keep accurate records of your income and expenses. 3. Protect your intellectual property. Ensure your brand, content, and products are legally protected. 4. Read terms of service. Be aware of the terms and conditions of the platforms you use. Following these legal guidelines will help you avoid potential issues and run your online business smoothly. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive guide to making money online in 2024. Whether you choose freelancing, e-commerce, or passive income, the key is to take action and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.